You meet someone, they ask one simple question, and suddenly your brain says, good luck.
Yes, you know the question is easy, but your mouth is on vacation.
Today, we fix that with a very real situation, talking about likes and hobbies.
So, not big English, just useful English.
Exactly. You can use this in class, at work, online, when traveling, or even when someone asks, what do you like to do? I'm Max,
I'm Mia.
and this is Easy English with Max and Mia.
Stay with us if you want simple English you can actually use.
Okay, Mia, let's start with the big question people always ask when they want to know you a little better.
Yes.
The question is, what do you like to do?
Simple, very common, very useful.
And your answer can also be simple. You do not need a long speech. You can say, I like to read. I like reading. I like cooking. I like to cook.
So if someone asks me, what do you like to do? I can say, I like drinking tea and reading in the evening.
Perfect. Very natural.
Good, because I do like tea. This is not acting.
I know. If tea disappears from your house, it becomes a national emergency.
Yes, we all have our hobbies.
Here is the first useful pattern. I like to plus a verb. For example, I like to read. I like to cook. I like to travel.
And also, I like plus verb ing. I like reading. I like cooking. I like traveling.
Right. For beginners, both are common, and both are okay in many daily conversations.
That already feels easier. 2 easy ways, same idea.
Exactly. You do not need to panic and choose the perfect one every time. You need a natural one.
Can I say, I like to listen to music?
Yes.
And I like listening to music.
Also yes.
Nice. English is being kind for one moment.
One small kind moment. Enjoy it.
Wait, you said enjoy. That's another common word, right?
Yes, and this one is important. Enjoy takes verb ing, so we say, I enjoy reading. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy playing tennis.
Not I enjoy to read.
Correct. That sounds wrong. Enjoy plus verb ing.
Good. So like is flexible, but enjoy wants verb ing.
Exactly. That is a very useful beginner rule.
And what about love?
Love is easy too. I love music. I love cooking. I love to cook. I love cooking, very common.
So I can say I like tea, I enjoy reading, and I love quiet mornings.
That sounds very Mia.
Thank you. I worked hard to become predictable.
Predictable is good in beginner English.
And in breakfast, too.
Now listen to this short, real-life exchange. What do you like to do? I like reading and listening to music. Very natural. Then the other person should not stop there.
Yes, because then the conversation dies in 5 seconds.
Exactly. So ask a follow-up question. For example, what kind of music do you like? Or when do you usually read?
Ah, that makes the conversation bigger, but still simple.
That is the goal, not just yes or no. We want one more step.
Okay, I'll try. Max, what do you like to do?
I like to cook, listen to music, and go for a walk in the morning.
Nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like jazz and soft pop.
When do you usually cook?
In the evening, cooking in the morning is too much emotion for me.
Yes, in the morning I want tea, not decisions.
See, that is a real conversation. Very simple. One main question, then small follow-up questions.
So the first key frame is, what do you like to do?
Yes, and here are some useful answers. I like reading. I like to watch movies. I enjoy playing football. I love trying new food. I don't like getting up early.
Ooh, that last one is also very real.
Very real. And negative answers are important too.
Yes, because real people do not love everything.
Exactly. You can say, I like movies, but I don't like horror movies. Or, I like sports, but I don't like running. Or, I like coffee, but I don't like strong coffee.
Good contrast. Same category, different answer.
Very useful in real life. It makes your English sound more natural. For example, I like music, but I don't like loud music. I love traveling, but I don't like long flights.
That one hurts because it is true.
Most airports teach patience. Nobody asked for that lesson.
True. Can we do some hobby groups? People often need ideas fast.
Yes, but we'll keep them inside conversation, not as a giant list.
Thank you. Giant lists make my brain leave the room.
Reading is a common hobby. You can say, I like reading. I enjoy reading novels. I like to read before bed.
And a good follow-up question is, what do you like to read?
Exactly. Answer, I like mystery books. I like short stories. I enjoy reading about travel.
Music is easy too. I like listening to music in the evening. I love pop music. I don't like very loud music.
Good. Then ask, what kind of music do you like? Or do you listen to music when you work?
Movies and shows?
Very common. I like watching movies on weekends. I enjoy comedy shows. I don't like sad movies.
I like movies, but I don't like scary movies.
Same. I like sleeping peacefully.
Such a brave man.
Thank you. I fight danger by avoiding it.
Sports next?
Yes, I like playing football. I enjoy swimming. I love going to the gym. I like sports, but I don't like running.
And follow-up questions can be, how often do you play? Who do you play with? Where do you usually go?
Perfect. Simple, clear, useful.
Food can also be part of interests, right? Because people talk about food all the time.
All the time. I like cooking. I enjoy trying new restaurants. I love Italian food. I don't like spicy food.
Or, I like cooking, but I don't like washing dishes.
That is advanced truth, but beginner English.
My favorite kind.
Travel is another easy one. I like traveling. I enjoy visiting new cities. I love going to the beach. I don't like busy airports.
Yes, and then ask, where do you like to go? Or do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
Good. Free time is also useful because many people ask, what do you do in your free time?
Ah, that's close to what do you like to do, but a little more specific.
Right. You can answer, in my free time, I like reading, cooking, and listening to music. Or, on weekends, I like to meet friends and watch movies.
Time words help a lot. In the morning, in the evening, on weekends.
Exactly. They make the answer feel real. Compare these two answers. I like reading. Good. I like reading in the evening before bed. Better.
Because now I can see the person.
Yes, very important. Real-life English is often one small action plus one small detail.
Let me try a full answer. I like listening to music in the morning, and on weekends I enjoy cooking with my family.
Very good. Natural and clear.
And maybe one more detail? I don't like cooking late at night.
Also good. Now the answer has shape.
Shape is nice. My old answers were just small potatoes.
English potatoes are still welcome.
Thank you.
Here's another real-life mini-scene. You meet a new coworker.
Okay.
They ask, what do you like to do outside work?
I can say, I like reading and going for walks.
Good. Then they ask, what do you like to read?
I like simple travel books and short stories.
Nice. Then maybe, do you usually read in the morning or in the evening?
Usually in the evening, with tea.
There it is. Very normal, very usable.
Tea returns again. My brand is growing.
Slowly, like good tea.
That was almost poetic. Careful.
I'll stay practical. Another common situation is class or language exchange. Someone asks, what do you do on weekends?
I can answer, on weekends I like to watch movies, cook, and meet friends.
Good. Then the other person asks, what kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies, but I don't like horror movies.
Perfect contrast. Same category, clear preference.
This feels much better than saying only, I like movies.
Exactly. That answer is okay, but one more line makes the conversation easier.
Can we talk about love and really like? Beginners use like for everything.
Yes, and that is okay, but small changes help. I like music is fine. I really like music is stronger. I love music is stronger again.
So if I say I really like cooking, it sounds a little more personal.
Yes, and I enjoy cooking sounds nice too. A little calm, a little natural.
I enjoy to cook is still wrong.
Still wrong. I enjoy cooking.
Good. I will not fight that rule anymore.
Wise choice.
What about people who do not have a big hobby? Sometimes learners say, I don't know what to say.
Then keep it simple and honest. You do not need a dramatic hobby. You can say, I like watching videos. I like listening to music. I enjoy spending time with my family. I like walking in the park. Small things are perfect.
That's important. Your answer does not need to be exciting. It needs to be true.
Exactly. Real beats impressive.
Good, because if I say, I climb mountains every Tuesday, people may ask questions,
And then you'll need mountain English.
which I do not have.
Now, let's make the answers a little longer in a very easy way. Use this frame. I like because.
Ah, simple reason.
Yes, I like cooking because it relaxes me. I enjoy reading because I learn new things. I like going for walks because I sit too much at work.
That last one is many people.
Very many people.
So I can say, I like listening to music because it helps me relax in the evening.
Perfect. Or, I like traveling because I enjoy seeing new places.
Nice. Still simple, but more alive.
Another useful frame is I usually. That adds routine. I usually read before bed. I usually watch a movie on Friday night. I usually play football on weekends.
So now we have hobbies plus time. Very practical.
Exactly. And that helps people ask better follow-up questions.
Like, who do you watch movies with? Or where do you play football?
Right.
Can we do a short future desire part 2? Sometimes people want to say what they want to do, not only what they do now.
Yes, and a very nice phrase is, I'd love to.
I like that one. It sounds warm.
Very common. I'd love to travel to Japan. I'd love to learn how to cook better. I'd love to try surfing. I'd love to visit New York one day.
So if I like reading now, I can also say, I'd love to write my own short book one day.
Yes, that sounds great.
It sounds great because I am not writing it this week.
Future dreams are often very organized.
Much more organized than real weekends.
True. Here's a natural mini exchange. What do you like to do? I like cooking and watching movies. Anything you'd love to try in the future? I'd love to learn to make Italian food.
Nice, useful, and friendly.
And still beginner safe.
Can we do a quick review inside the conversation? Not a school review, just the key frames again.
Yes, here are the main sentence frames. What do you like to do? I like to read. I like reading. I enjoy reading. I love reading. I don't like reading at night. On weekends, I like to read. I like reading because it helps me relax. I'd love to write my own book one day.
That's a very good group.
And remember, the small grammar point that really matters here. Like can go with to plus verb or verb ing. I like to cook. I like cooking.
And enjoy takes verb ing. I enjoy cooking.
Exactly.
Not I enjoy to cook.
Correct.
I repeated it because beginners need that.
Yes, and repetition helps memory.
Also, follow-up questions matter. Do not stop at I like music.
Right. Add one of these. What kind of music do you like? When do you listen to music? Who do you go with? Where do you usually do that? Why do you like it?
That makes the conversation warmer and longer, but still easy.
Exactly.
And now, a small challenge for you watching.
You can answer for yourself or use a third person. For example, talk about your brother, your friend, your coworker, or your child.
Yes, try this. What does your friend like to do? Then answer. He likes playing football on weekends. Or she enjoys cooking in the evening. Or my sister loves watching movies, but she doesn't like horror movies.
Or talk about yourself. I like listening to music in the morning. I enjoy reading on weekends. I'd love to travel more in the future.
Keep it simple. One hobby, one detail, one follow-up question. That is enough.
Max, what do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to cook, go for walks, and listen to jazz.
Why do you like cooking?
Because it relaxes me, and I can eat the homework.
Very practical. I like that.
Your turn. What do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I enjoy reading, drinking tea, and watching light comedy shows.
What kind of books do you like?
I like short stories and simple travel books.
Anything you'd love to do in the future?
I'd love to visit a quiet town, drink tea by a window, and read all day.
That sounds extremely Mia.
Yes, no surprises, just tea.
And that is enough for a good conversation.
Now it's your turn. What do you like to do in your free time?
And if you want, add one thing you'd love to do in the future too.
We'll read your answers.
If this was useful, you can like the video and subscribe.
See you in the next video.
Take care. See ya.